Kids and parents, tired of having to get up in the morning and cook breakfast? Tired of the mess pancakes make when you mix the batter? Are you tired of waiting? Well, I have a solution for you kids. Pancakes in a can!
If you purchase now, you will get not 0, not 1, but 2 pancakes in a can. You will also get a free spaghetti pan! And it's not 2,000, not 1,000, not 500. You know, you get the point. It's none of that. It's only 100 payments of $20. How great is that, man? I mean, come on. That's like $2. You know?
Oh my god. I'll make my own breakfast. Pancakes in a can.
It comes with the free spaghetti pan.